The gold plaque. Every YouTuber's ultimate dream. After a quiet talk with her dad, something inside Holly just clicked. The endless overthinking stopped. No more waiting for ideal lighting, no more rewriting titles 100 times, no need for the perfect idea. All she needed was to start working on her YouTube channel and chase her dream. What am I good at? She asked herself, and the answer honestly was instant. Art, craft, DIY, and yeah, definitely slime. That evening, she stacked those books, gathered her supplies, and whispered to herself, "Let's make water slime." She asked her dad to set up the camera and help her shoot the video. Her voice trembled. She spilled half the water. The camera angle was slightly off, but for the first time, she didn't care. She finished making the video, edited it with her dad, and while hitting that upload button, her heart beat like a drum. Then she lay in bed waiting for dawn. The next morning, she checked her video and saw it had 3 views and 2 subscribers. Her heart just dropped. Probably just mom and dad, she sighed with disappointment and a heavy weight in her chest. But then, one unique view, someone she didn't know had watched her very first video. She thought, who could that be? But it was real. And that was enough to keep going. Views didn't matter to her as much as the act of sharing her creations on social media, so she passionately continued to make video after video. Paper flowers, mini crafts, recycled decor, slime tutorials, video after video, comment after comment, or sometimes no comments at all. Months went by. She posted over 100 videos, but her subscribers were stuck at 547. Sadness grew in her. She thought, maybe this isn't for me. Maybe I should just quit. One evening after her Halloween video got 8 measly views, she finally broke. "It has been a year, Dad," she said, her voice thick with unshed tears. "I've given it everything, but nothing is happening. Maybe it's just not for me." Her dad didn't rush to answer. He just smiled, handed her the phone, and opened her channel. "Look at that number, Holly. 547. You started with 0. That's 547 people who believe in you." He paused, looking directly at her. "You're not failing, Holly. You're building. Success isn't one viral video. It's the courage to keep going on." And so she kept going, not chasing fame, but chasing growth. During this process, she learned how to light her setup with desk lamps and aluminum foil. She learned to edit in CapCut and Canva, how to create click-worthy thumbnails, and how to create a story through crafts. Her videos got cleaner, her voice got stronger and confident, her style undeniably completely her own. Then one day it was just a regular upload. No special intro, no huge announcement, just a simple DIY notebook made from cereal boxes. She posted it and went to sleep, oblivious. The next morning, 3,241 views, then 24,000. She couldn't tear herself away from the screen, and by that night, it was over 1.2 million views. She stared, she blinked, she screamed, "It's happening! It's really happening!" People were sharing her video, commenting, subscribing. It was a whirlwind. She shared her video with her parents, and as the views slowly climbed, they were incredibly happy with her initial success, encouraging her to keep going. And 3 months later, a brown box arrived at her doorstep. inside YouTube's silver play button. 100,000 subscribers, seeing that she cried, not because of the plaque itself, but because she knew how incredibly hard that journey had been. Every single struggle, every doubt, every quiet upload in the dark, it all led to this. After the success of the silver plaque, weeks passed, but then the views dipped. Some views flopped, growth stalled again. People unsubscribed, and once again, motivation started to fade. And Holly started questioning everything. Was that video just luck? Am I good enough to keep going? What if I never reach 1 million? She almost gave up, but then her dad's words echoed in her mind. If she'd built something from absolute zero to earning a silver play button, then surely she had it in her to achieve something even bigger. I didn't come this far to only come this far, she affirmed to herself. My parents believe in me, and I must go on. Maybe one day my childhood dream of hitting 1 million subscribers will actually come true. And so she dug deeper with stronger determination. She tried stop motion, voiceovers, animations, new ideas, new formats, and this time she wasn't uploading for fame, she was uploading for joy. She stopped checking her stats, views, or subscriber count. Her focus was solely on uploading and creating more content. Slowly, her audience returned. They shared her work. Her videos were in classrooms, on Pinterest boards, in group chats. She started teaching, collaborating, inspiring. Not every video went viral, but every video had value. 3 years after that first breakthrough, she woke up to a familiar buzz. She opened the app. 1,284 subscribers! She couldn't breathe. She had done it. A few weeks later, the doorbell rang. Another box, but this one gleamed. Inside was YouTube's gold play button. She held it, hands shaking, tears in her eyes. 3 years ago, she had 3 views. Today, she has 1 million subscribers. It wasn't easy, it wasn't fast, but it was worth every single moment. Holly sat in front of her camera, now with lights, sound, and a quiet kind of confidence. She smiled and said, if you're watching this and thinking of giving up, don't. Your journey might be slow, it might be hard, but if you keep going, learning, growing, your one dream can absolutely become 1 million. Moral of the story: perseverance is paramount. True success isn't about instant virality, but the unwavering courage to keep creating and learning, even when faced with slow progress or setbacks. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. Focus your energy on the process of creation and continuous improvement, as passion sustained through consistent effort is what ultimately builds lasting achievement. Behind every success lies unseen struggle. Understand that every person who achieves their goals has navigated their own arduous path of challenges and failures that others rarely witness. Now let's make our own YouTube gold plaque. Why not make your own gold play button? It's a fantastic way to visualize your goal, to remind yourself every single day what you're working towards. That's all for today, my awesome friends. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope you have lots and lots of fun. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the like button, and ring the magic bell so you never miss another adventure. Until then, stay happy and stay healthy. See you next time. Bye!